Hey everyone, Sturgis here, and we're back to the figure reviews. This time we'll look at the Transformers Studio Series 86 Thundercracker Voyager class from Transformers the movie. Yep, this is one figure I was looking for, really excited for, and he is now more cartoon accurate rather than the previous Thundercracker. I don't have the Thundercracker from the 2-pack with Skywarp. He is a very expensive. We saw a picture who is a repaint Starscream. Let's all get into that second. So size compares. So I didn't get him. So instead I got this version of Thundercrackers from Transformers the movie E6 from 2026. Now I believe this is Series 1 from Voyager Series 1 for 2026. When I first saw it, I freaked out. So like, what this one? This is pretty hard to find this one. So here is Thundercracker. He's a member of Secret Jet. His debut appears in Season 1 up until Season 2 to Transformers the movie. And you can see in the back a nice little package. Nice little in the box. Nice little artwork from Thundercrackers into his jet mode. The other side he has an Autobot shuttles inside when he's under attack, like he did in the movie. The other side are pretty much the same. There's no figure numbers. And on the back of the box, they show the robot mode and the vehicle mode, jet mode. This is 27 step. And the top here, it shows the image of the Thundercracker, Skywarp, and the three Decepticons. Spoiler alert, in the movie, Thundercracker, Skywarp, and the three Decepticons got brutally damaged. It was during the escape. He got away from the Autobot City. But that makes matters worse. The Astro Train, he gets as heavy because he's too heavy because it's too many fit. So Starscream, what does he do? He decided he pushed him out of the deep space. Skywarp, Thundercracker, and the three Decepticons got rid of them. He just pushed him, kick out of the Astro Train, and dumps him into deep space, along with Megatron, and that's where he before became Scourge. That's pretty a plot twist. And it has a little bio reads, Thundercracker is prepared for a battle alongside Decepticon leader Megatron's. Now that's pretty much it at bios. Kind of funny, it was hilarious. Now there was a variant, there was a first version that was the image. Instead of this image, he's replaced the Autobus shuttle where he's taking control of that. But in the final I believe the final product he's replaced that image. So that was kind of interesting. And it's made by Hasbro from 2026. So that's about a look at the package. Let's take a look open. Let's take a quick break. Let's take a look at Thundercracker out of the box. Alright, we're back with Thundercracker out of the package in his jet mode. Now this jet mode looks pretty nice. It looks just like how he looks and gets straight out the TV series and the animated shows. This item's colors are darker blue. It's kind of bright. Nice little Decepticons. Down here is a little robot jumpsuit. It does have a little landing gear. It's just a plastic once. Now the weapons he does come with a 2 new ray. Let me take them off. It comes with 2 new ray. It's just a dark blue plastic. Nice little detail. I think they did a good job when he has a little peg that goes to his wings. So like that. As well. Now it does a nice little detail. It has an orange piece. It looks like it has an open cockpit. I think it's open cockpit. Yes, it does open cockpit. Looks pretty nice with details. Now for a comparison vehicle, and you can see here's have a Thundercracker from War for Cybertron. The Studio Series also released last year. I didn't review it. I didn't cover review to this one, so I'll do review the next one. So yeah, you can actually see he's pretty larger than this one's. Now, like I said before, I don't have the Earthrise Thundercracker Skywarp. He is a very expensive. That was Amazon exclusive. We saw a picture. he's a very hard to find. He's a very expensive one. So, I think there was already confirmed that Skywarp will also be then joined to the Series 86 line along with Starscream, the new version that will be repainted that. I think the Dreams will be perfect. So, now the Transformer Thundercracker first to do was unfinished. First to do was on his wings. And then his wings. What apparently you're supposed on oh I almost snapped a piece, gotta be careful. And gotta be careful like that. You gotta open the pieces. First thing was unpeg. You open his unpeg. Done. You can see there's unpeg his legs. Now let's start bending his legs. Do the exactly same. Unpeg his rotate. Start connect. Close the lid. Oh, first thing, then his. Oops. Gonna angle that. Then rotate. Do the same. Now first to his feet. Just like that. Unconnect. Now unconnect. Next to do is take open the chest. Oh wait, first to do let's take and see if there's his head. Oh, and let's not forget this closing the windows. Unpeg his. Let's start bending his, and you can see this push down his little piece. This little connect slot goes. I think I'm supposing there's his connect piece. Let's start like that. Next to you, open his wrist and close it. Now do the exact same. Also, to notice, apparently it was connect pieces. Hold on a second. Okay, so now start connect. Peg goes holes here. Then do the same. And that was it. And here is Thundercracker in his robot mode. A really cool and looks very 100% show accurate. This is a big step up from the last one. I think it's a 2-pack one, which is a pretty disappointment because now I don't have Skywarp or Thundercracker as the 2-pack. Now for size comparison, here's next to Starscream. And you can see this is side by side of similarities. But the only cool thing, this one actually has the waist swivel. It's got waist articulation. Looks really nice. And it does, oops. Oh, sorry man. Almost fell over. Sorry. It has a wrist movement. Now, unlike Starscream, the Earthrise one, it has no wrist articulations, no waist, no nothing. This is disappointment. Oh, he has a Grand Classic. That's the scariest part. So yeah, I think this version is the winner. Here is next to Thundercracker from War for Cybertron. Now, this looks pretty similar, but he has darker blue. This one is brighter blue. Not the greatest paint. Not the greatest thing at all. He's just a repaint. Now, although his size compares as well. And here's final size compares. Here's next to Kickback Shrapnel. and Scourge or Sweep on the right or on the left. What's this fun fact? This is before the actor in Scourge when he gets modified by Unicrons. Now the head sculpt for Thundercracker looks extremely present. He looks just like how he looks in the show. Nice little silver face, nice details. The rest of the body has a nice orange translucent plastic cockpit. Nice and bright blue. Do you like the nice rest of the back? He got rid of his cone on his back. I think overall the nice little figure of this. Now, my only complaint is it does a little stay connect. It's supposed to stay connect. What else? Overall, there's nothing to say. There's no pegs, no nothings. So overall, this is a pretty great looking figure for die-hard fans of G1. It's accurate. Now, as for our articulation for Thundercracker, he has heads on a ball joint. It's heads on a ball joint, 360 degrees, 360 degrees. Does up and down that much. His height. His arms and down goes in and out. He has a bicep swivel. Then at the knee or elbow, sorry, he does get swivel wrists. He does have swivel waist, looks nice, unlike the Earthrise one. His leg is forwards and back, goes in and out that much. He has a thigh swivel, then a knee, and his ankle forwards and back. It goes side to side. There's no wing articulation, it's pretty unfortunate. So overall, this is a nice little figures. So there's my review. Overall, Thundercracker Studio Series 86, probably the coolest one. I do like this thing. It looks it's a big step out the last one for an Earthrise one. As I mentioned before, there was already confirmed, was rumored that Studio Series 86 they're doing the Skyward, and later on to Starscream. I think it's a Target exclusive, according to TFW 2005. So I'd like to shout out and check out. So overall, I think this is a pretty excellent figure. Very excited one for your die-hard G1. It's very show accurate, great imposable articulation, nice little detailed head sculpt. So yeah, I got this one at Target for about $20 or $40. I mean, hopefully, I recommend to check it out to collect this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Be sure don't forget to like and share and subscribe. So thanks for watching and goodbye.